Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, See Eyeball Reviews. Today I will be attempting to make the Taco Bell Baja Blast Gelato. For real. Now I got my canister of the Baja Blast, as well as some 1% milk that I got, as well as some green and blue food coloring to bring that color on through, and also some sweet condensed milk. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Alright, so in my bowl, I have a half a cup of the sweetened condensed milk, as well as I'm going to use a half a cup of the milk and just go ahead and pour it in there and mix it all together. Now, gelato calls for cream, sugar, and milk, but mostly milk. So, you know I was going to do the simple way. Well, I do all that work because Labor Day already on pass. You feel me? Now, I started off with a half a cup of the Baja, and I was like, who are you kidding? Now, so I'm going to end up putting the whole thing in there. Now I'll put each of my food color in there. I don't have an exact measurement, but I just kept putting some in there and mixing around till I got the desired look I wanted, which is the Baja Blast look. Oh, what's that? Oh, no, just a straw I got inside there trying to taste it real quick to make sure it tastes okay. And as you see, thumbs up. Now I have my funnel to assist me as I pour the drink inside of the cup. And that's what I did right here. Now you can't tell me that this color don't look live, vibrant, and beautiful. Yep, It's giving frothy Baja Blast. So yeah, I'm gonna just wrap that up real quick and put it in the freezer. Alright, y'all see what I did? I now put it in the freezer to let it freeze. This is how it look. You can't tell me it don't look like it. It's giving that look, but is it gonna get that taste? I took out the freezer, I put it in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes to like let it like loosen up a little bit, thaw out a little bit, so it don't be so frozen. Cause you know you get like ice cream and it be like so frozen if it's in a, but you have to sit out a little bit so it can be like soft serve a little bit. So I just let it sit out a little bit and see if it can change the texture too. Cause I don't want it to like come off like icy. I want it to come off like gelato. I'm gonna get into it, y'all. Y'all look at this again. Look at this masterpiece again. Yes. Still a little hard. Took about a little longer. I don't know. Still coming. It ain't like smooth like that, like ice cream really. It's still giving me like Italian ice or something. Y'all see the texture? Hopefully. Okay, now it tastes like ice cream, like you can tell, like I add ice cream. I add ice cream to it. It do have like a little bit of that Baja taste. It's just the texture still kind of like, now it's not like the first time when I made it. It's like got like a little bit milk in it, but not as much. I still want the texture to be a little bit. I'm still seeing. Yeah, you definitely taste. Okay, you taste the Baja, but it's not as strong because I could tell I diluted it, put it like that milk mixture, got an ice cream mix taste to it. So I do got that taste to it. I just want the texture to be different. I don't know. It's melting a little bit now, so now I'm getting more into it. I still want the texture to be a little different while I'm scooping it up. Like, I want to scoop it up like ice cream because it's giving a little bit of shaved ice with color to it. The taste is definitely there though. I could have put more milk in it, but I don't want to. I don't want to overdo it. This is good though. I've seen a couple of videos. They do some other things to it, but then I feel like they be cheating now because they got some type of machine where they put the ice thing inside of it, and they have like buttons like sorbet, ice cream, gelato. Now you know everybody got that type of machine. Now I actually want it now. So I didn't even know they sold them. I'm like, I mean, this is my life, but however, everybody don't have that. My way is the easier way to like people who don't have that. For like people who don't have that, but they still want to, you know. I think one person press ice cream, you gotta press gelato. And I see another person press gelato like it should have. When I tell you the texture was just so creamy, I'm like, yeah, but fuck y'all cheated, y'all. Because, come on now. Why do you expect everybody to have that type of machine? If you want to try my way, that's not the hard way. The way that you ain't got to cover up extra money. I don't know how much that machine is, but I'm going to look it up. So I need that type of machine. The first time I made like a custard using eggs, and I realized, girl, you able to use that? So I had to start from scratch, and I didn't even like how it came out. It was like more like ice, more than this. Yeah, and I'm looking at different recipes. It was talking about gelato. It's made with sugar, milk, and cream. Oh yeah, and it said it's made without eggs. But too, when I was looking at different recipes, I seen them make it with eggs. I'm like, why y'all not following the real recipe? That's trying to get me, trying to get us. I would give this a 9.4. The consistency ain't always all the way there, but it's still good, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.